Hi, I'm Jay, and this is The Dreaming Self. This podcast was born out of alignment. My own spiritual awakening led me to my mentor, Marvin Celestial, and opened the path to these conversations. In this first episode, we explore his spiritual journey, the dreaming self, astral traveling, out of body experiences, multidimensionality, and the deeper truths beyond our human experience. Our intention is to help awaken awareness, especially among fellow Filipinos searching for meaning. If you're ready to remember who you truly are, then I welcome you to the Dreaming Self. Okay, without
Yeah.
further ado, eto.
Oh,
I'm here today with Marvin G. Celestial. And yes, the name is Destiny. He's a visionary author, intuitive guide, a multi-dimensional dream explorer who shifted from mechanical engineering into over 2 decades of mapping consciousness, symbols, and the deeper layers of the soul. His book, The Adventures of the Dreaming Self, is a powerful guide for anyone ready to be awakened. Marvin, thank you again for your time and for being here.
usually there are a lot of questions from our future viewers. Why is it Marvin Celestial doing these things? This is not conventional.
Mm,
You know what? Since childhood, I learned to communicate by myself with myself.
okay.
So I seldom talk because I'm very timid and shall we say ano and very shy.
Mm,
So it took 33 years for me to go out when I seek uh, answers and no one answered my questions. So all I had to do was search and find answers for myself. Then not just by reading books, but through DreamWorks and
mhm,
Intuition and some other said downloads.
mhm,
And this is fantastic for everybody, but for me, it's natural. I'm reading books. I'm reading scrolls while at sleep, while in dream.
mm, mhm,
And I can't recall whatever language it was until such time I validated those knowledge and wisdom
mhm.
from books which I read in the physical. Those books have only one author,
Okay.
Jane Roberts, the set books. I can say that all those books I read about Seth, Jane Roberts are my treasured books
Mhm,
because it answered, they answered all my life's questions that no one answered me. Even the best parapsychologists in town, they claim that they are uh, adept in these things. But when I decided to attend in one of his workshop and I raised one question, he can't even answer one question. So all I had to do is to keep my mouth shut and
mhm,
learn things on my own. So in dream state, we have this what you call the dreaming self. And the
okay.
dreaming self is always awake, even when you are awake and even when you are asleep. So, and this dreaming self is multidimensional. The dreaming self is attuned to any personality or any lifetimes you were already considered, even the future.
Mhm,
So, the dreaming self can access every personality you have in your previous life or in your present life and in the future life, or even your probable self, your probable past, your probable future, and even your parallel selves, parallel future selves, and even your counterparts. So there are a lot of sub subjects when it comes to dreams, but it was never discussed in school,
Correct.
in university, even in a normal conversation. Because if you consider to live at least 70 years in this lifetime, how many hours you are asleep and how many hours you are awake? So, for example, shall we say one third
Mm-hmm.
of your lifetime you are asleep.
Mm-hmm.
So, in the medical point of view, you need to sleep because to let your cells regenerate. But
Mm-hmm.
even when you are awake, your cells regenerates, not just when you are asleep. So the dream thing was ignored. For them, it's just a figment of your imagination,
Correct.
but it's not. Because for me, dream is another form of reality, which only few explored. So there are many kinds of dreams. The most common is symbolic dream.
Mm-hmm.
And next to that is precognitive dream. A precognitive dream is the dream that you can see the future, the probable future. Probable because the future is not preordained, it's not predestined, it can be altered. There's another kind of dream, the retrocognitive dream. So
Mm-hmm.
retrocognitive dream is like a past life recall based in your present life or in your previous life or uh, primitive past lives or
Mm-hmm.
even your galactic origin. Saan ka galing bago ka pumunta sa Earth.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Then there's another kind of dream. It is common for the stressed ones. They call it nightmares.
Mm.
Nightmares. Actually, nightmares have deeper meanings. Commonly, they also call this kind of dream sleep paralysis. So actually,
Mm-hmm.
sleep paralysis is an onset to astral traveling. So if you
Hypnagogic.
want to explore astral travel, so you have to enjoy the sleep paralysis.
You
Don't
know what?
panic.
Yeah, alam
So,
mo, Marvin, before, I used to be
mm,
scared about sleep paralysis, but I realized
oh,
na sayang I could have taken
yes,
advantage of that.
it's an onset of astral traveling. Oh,
Correct. I know.
so many times I experienced it since elementary, high school. When I go to college, I learned how to manage it. And
Mm-hmm.
for the first time, I did the conscious and voluntary astral travel.
Mm.
So it's like you are conscious that you are getting out of your body, and then
Yep.
you can see your body like a grayish matter because in the outside world you cannot use your physical eyes to see.
Mm-hmm.
It's your inner eyes. So your physical body is a grayish matter. It's like it's a useless body. Yeah.
Correct.
But you can distinguish that body or that vehicle. You are that body. You are the one who occupies that body. Yeah.
Mm.
And you can travel anywhere. When you think of a place, then at the same time you are there.
Right.
Uh, if you think of an experience at the same time, you will be catapulted to that experience
Right.
beyond space and time. You can command, you can say, I want to explore the desert of
Mm.
UAE, then you will
Mm-hmm.
be there at a snap, traveling by thoughts. And
Mm.
it's how many times the speed of light. Mm.
Marvin, just to connect astral traveling and dreams, no?
Mhm.
I've heard some of out of body explorers. taking advantage of lucid dreaming or conscious dreaming.
Yes.
While they are conscious in their dreams, they can command themselves, I want
Yes.
to get
To
out of
go
my
out.
body.
Yes.
Oh. And then poof,
Yes.
parang
Mm.
they're transported out.
Yes.
And then give me an idea, no? What is the difference of conscious dreaming and if you are completely outside of your body? Very different, right?
Uh, Conscious dreaming and conscious astral traveling is like cousins. You can explore the benefits while
Mm-hmm.
you are experiencing conscious dreaming. Actually, before we explain about the dream, let me explain the four kinds of astral traveling.
Mm-hmm.
So there are four kinds. First is involuntary, unconscious astral traveling.
Mm-hmm.
Next is involuntary, conscious astral traveling. One is voluntary and unconscious astral traveling. And the best is voluntary and conscious
Mm-hmm.
astral traveling. You can induce this astral traveling easily if you master conscious dreaming. And there are a
Yes.
lot of techniques how to do conscious dreaming. Number one, lucidity.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, you can program your mind to dream consciously, and you are
Mm-hmm.
awake. You are half asleep and half awake. So the term is hypnagogic state.
Mm-hmm.
And there's another technique how to induce conscious dreaming, which I discovered.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Mental wandering technique. So
Okay.
while asleep, you close your eyes, then you can imagine uh, you walk out and then explore your house, explore the
Mm.
room, then go out of the house, explore the surroundings, then go to your favorite place, and then you can fly, you can walk, you can run, or you can teleport.
Is this
And
before you sleep or
yes,
like
after you sleep,
habang tulog
while
ka na?
you
Oh,
are laying in bed,
okay.
habang
Okay.
habang nakahiga ka. So you have to imagine you are waking up, bumangon ka, tapos in-explore mo yung place, tapos lumabas ka ng bahay, tapos in-explore mo yung bahay based
Mm-hmm.
on your memory of the place, and then
Okay.
you can go to your favorite place. You can fly, you can walk, you can run, or you can go farther.
Mm.
So no need to worry because you're working on the mental plane.
Mm-hmm.
So if you can go back uh, successfully, uh, you did the mental or wandering meditation to induce
Mm-mm.
conscious dreaming. And then if you induce conscious dreaming, and that's the time
Mm.
you can do astral travel.
Astral travel. But
Yeah.
Marvin, there are like in my case, no, like ako
Mm,
all my life I've been challenged on having vivid dreams.
mm,
Imagine nanonood ka ng you watch YouTube videos and it's only
mm,
240p or 360p, very low resolution.
mm,
That's the kind of dreams I normally have. But then when I started getting into these kinds of things, spiritual awakening, learning about astral
mm,
traveling or out of body experiences, I became conscious enough on a daily basis to program my mind na I
mm.
can do it. Kaya ko yan. Like, when I
Yes.
sleep later at night, I will be aware. My dreams are gonna be vivid.
Yes.
Like,
Mm.
I
It's a
started
mental
to have...
programming. Oh. Mm,
But, apparently, there are just a small percentage of, like, gifted
mm.
people, I guess, like you, na, who, it's easy for them to be able to achieve this, especially mentally.
The secret, you know what?
Mm.
Meditate
Sorry?
and
Meditate.
do the breath work. Yeah.
Mm, mm, mm,
Meditate,
mm,
do
mm.
the breath work, and Zoom. You can be there anytime. you want. And then, pag nandun ka na, you can explore the Akashic records or the
Yes.
spiritual library
Your
or
soul
the
records.
psychic library
Mm-hmm.
or the vast library, which I can't I can't
Wow.
count how many times I explored that
Wow.
vast
Shucks.
library.
Wow. Yes,
And
yes,
you know
yes.
what? I met some authors in that library.
Really?
Some of them are healers and psychics, which naging client ko before. So, nung nag-explore ako, tinext ko sila. Sabi ko, nagsusulat kayo ng libro, ah. I met you there in the Akashic Library. Sabi
Sweet.
niya, sabi nila, paano mo alam? Sabi ko, nakita ko kayo doon, nag-ganyan-ganyan kayo.
So they were also traveling during that time.
Yes, they are also traveling, but they are not aware.
Oh, really? On
Oo, they are not aware.
okay.
So, sa physical, uh, they're really writing their books. So,
Okay. You know what? I've heard of other travelers who, let's say nagplano sila, they plan na on this
mm,
day at
mm,
this time we will try to
mm,
induce out of
yes,
body or astral, and then when they're out of their bodies, they
they
meet
can
at this
meet.
specific
Yes.
time and place,
Mm.
and then they remember it in their waking
Yes.
life.
Actually, when how many times I did astral traveling, I met some uh, individuals. Some of them are from this planet, and some of
Mm.
them from other planets.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. And we talk mentally and emotionally. It's more of empathy and telepathically.
Right.
You cannot hear any word, but you can understand what they wanted to tell you.
Mm.
Yeah.
Mhm. Mhm.
And especially in mysticism, healing, and optimum potential of humans
Right.
and consciousness. Mm.
So would you say that humans in this world that we are at, Earth, are we
Mm.
in the lowest vibration? Like galactic realms, di ba mas you
Mm,
could you say
mm,
that they are more advanced and more
But
intelligent?
you know what? There's no such thing as above, so below. Uh, we,
Okay.
we are all connected.
Mhm.
We cannot say this Earth is low vibrational because at the same time, this place is higher vibrational. So you need not explore other planets to experience vibrational state.
Mm.
You can achieve it while on Earth.
Right.
It's
Yes.
it's like
Uh-uh.
there's a proper meditation and raising up your frequency, your fine tuning your frequency in order to tap on that particular frequency.
Mhm.
So you you don't need to explore other planets in the other galaxy to raise your frequency. You can raise your frequency on Earth.
While
So
you're
Earth
here.
is not lower frequency.
Yes.
Only the ego uh, enjoying the lower frequency, but you can make it higher if you focus on the inner, not on the
Mm.
outer. So
Yes.
because we Earthlings, Filipinos, we designed to focus outward, not inward.
Mhm. Mhm.
So we forgot our divinity. We forgot our powers
Right.
to create,
Like
to manifest.
mhm.
We
Mhm.
always seeking and longing for a savior, a hero, or a good person who can uh, make us life better.
Mm.
We forgot about our capacity to do
We
it
are
by
we
ourselves.
we are forgetting that we are gods also.
Yes, yes, we are the creators. We are the
Yes.
creators. We are the co-creators. Uh,
Mm,
so
mm.
because of dogmas and doctrines.
Yes.
Good news. Yesterday, I published my book about out of body experience, and it's now available
Oh,
in Amazon.
okay.
Uh,
Nice. I will add
OOBE,
that. OBE. Yes,
OOBE
yes. OOB.
made AC, OOBE made AC, AC. Uh, Lahat pwedeng mag-learn kasi napakadali siya.
Do you have a step-by-step instruction on how to
Yes,
achieve
yes,
that
yes.
in your
And
book?
a lot of techniques, very simple techniques.
Mhm.
Uh, you can do it even in the next, shall we say, 3 to 5 days. You can
Oh,
easily
wow.
depart. Mm,
Wow. I see.
3 to 5 days. So,
Does this
and
involve go ahead, go ahead.
uh, involves also about lucid dreaming
Uh-huh.
uh, and a lot of ways to induce astral
Mm.
traveling consciously. While on the astral plane, you can explore many levels. You can meet your departed ones, you can meet your angels, you can meet your galactic brothers, or you can search for your origin, or you can talk with your previous mother in your previous
Wow.
life, or you can talk with your ascended master or
Mm.
your what you call this teacher. Yeah.
Okay.
No need for your teacher to manifest on earth physically. You
Yeah.
can meet him in the astral plane. Yeah.
However, just to add to that, no, speaking of ascended
Mm.
masters, for example, see Jesus Christ, he was really here to spread the great work, right?
Elevate. Yes.
He was
Elevate the
here to,
consciousness.
yes, yes, yes.
Uh, he
Although,
is one of the ascended masters.
ascended, yes, yes,
But his teachings was evangelized and doctrinated.
right, right. Although I heard that some of his teachings hindi na ilagay sa Bible. Let's say
Yes,
he
yes.
was missing at the age, I think, from teenager until a
To
huge
30
part of
years old.
his life
Mm,
hindi na
mm,
sama sa Bible
the,
because
mm.
I guess they didn't want us to know what he was doing. But
Yes.
I heard
He
that
learned
he
he learned how to
meditate.
meditate,
Yes,
everything.
yes, yeah.
And somebody wrote that book,
Yes.
The Lost 30 Years of Jesus the Christ. And even his incarnations,
Mhm.
the seven bestowals. Yan. Pwede mo ma-search. Available yan. The
Oh,
seven
yes.
bestowals of
Seven
Jesus the
festivals.
Christ. He was Melchizedek. He was Michael. He was Joshua. He was one of the higher priests in the one of the oldest religion in Israel, Essene or the Essence.
Mm.
Uh, another another one was
Mhm.
Elijah. Uh, he
Mm.
was Elijah. That's why sinabi niya, before Abraham was born, I am. So, nandiyan na siya, pero it's not in the Jesus the Christ
Mhm.
body, but Elijah.
Yeah.
So, ano siya, very interesting pag nabasa mo. And his Lost 30 Years. It was written by an Indian guru or writer. And mayroong historical records sa India
Mhm.
and also in Tibet and also in he even explored America.
Oh, wow.
So
Mm.
during the time, it was impossible to travel from one place to another place. So maybe he mastered the art of teleportation.
Wow.
And, and there are a lot of them who are ascended masters, and they are members of what we call the Great White Brotherhood.
Mhm.
And because of that, uh, I wrote this book, the secret teachings of the Great
Oh, the
White
Great White.
Brotherhood. And
Nice.
I have to say that I was initiated in the astral plane 20 years ago.
Wow.
with this
Wow.
brotherhood. So if you can read this book, you will be one of the luckiest person alive to read this book.
Is it out?
So, yes. Oh.
Okay.
Actually, may two copies pa ako naiwan. So, i-reserve ko sa iyo yung isa.
Okay,
Yan.
thank you. Yes.
Hindi ko lang nadala last time. Naiwan ko sa hotel. So,
Mhm.
pero i-reserve ko sa iyo yung isa. Yeah.
Shucks, I would love to read the book of an ascended master.
Yeah. It's seventh to ninth dimensional
Mm.
words. So, it's 7 to 9D. So, it's like pag binansya mo siya, you're not from this world. You are from another dimension. Yeah.
Yes. When you
Yeah.
say 7 to 9D, they are there, right? Those ascended masters, their beings are
Yes, yes.
in that
Mm.
plane.
No need
So,
for them to incarnate in the human's body.
right.
Mm.
Kasi I
So,
heard na sa mga higher realms, if that's what we want to call it,
mm.
nandun din ang mga angels, seraphins, yung mga, I guess,
It's actually kwan yan. It's a religious context. It's a
uh-huh.
religious it's a belief that is religiously inspired.
Mhm, mhm.
So angels actually they are avians.
Okay.
So avians, there are
Avians.
white avians, there are red avians, there are blue avians, there's silver avians. So
Mhm.
during that time, pag ancient time, pag tao may pakpak, angels na,
Mm,
but they are
mm.
avians. So
Okay.
they are planetary beings, and they come and go, not just by flying, but by teleportation.
Okay.
We call them angels, but uh, it's just a religious term.
Okay.
Mm. They are avians, avians, blue
Avians.
avians, red avians, white avians, golden
Mm.
avians. Yan, meron pa golden avians. Silver mayroon.
Is
Oh,
it
so
possible that they were mhm.
iba-ibang hierarchy. So they are also part of our existence, but they are in the higher dimensional. Mm.
Okay. Do you think that there's a possibility that in their past lives they were also human before they
Yes,
ascended to the
yes,
next
yes,
level, to
yes.
the next level, to
Mm.
the next level?
Mm. Because the process of evolution is infinite. So if you decide to experience human form,
Mm.
you can do it anytime. It's your free will.
Mm.
So you will be trained before having the human's body. You have to plan ahead of time. Kailan ka mamatay, kailan ka mabubuhay, anong gagawin mo.
Mhm.
And you are aware of many possibilities you will do while on Earth.
Okay. I want to clarify something lang. I read in your book that the dreaming
Mm.
self is multidimensional. So when you
Yes.
say
Mm.
that we are multidimensional and then we live a lot of lives, or our dreaming
Mm.
self lives a lot of lives
Simultaneously
other
at the
than,
same time.
yes, simultaneously at this
Yes.
time. So why did you say na we have to prepare ourselves? Let's say me, ako si Jay, I have to
Mm.
prepare this version of me bago ako mag-transition to the next level. When it could be possible that I am already at the next level. I just don't know it, right?
Yes. And you have to raise your vibration in order to enjoy it. So that's why you're here to learn
Mm.
to calibrate, to learn to raise your vibration, so that when you go out of your physical body, you are already there. You know, only the
Mm.
human body limits you from being there, but you need to learn how to be there.
Mhm.
Mm. It's like raising your frequency.
Okay.
So actually, in the higher realm, there's no down, there's no up.
Mm.
It's all level. It's like everything happens or everything exists in different frequency, but in the same plane of
Okay.
existence, but in different level of frequency. So it's like transistor radio. You can hear 99.5,
Mm-hmm.
uh, and in the other transistor radio you can hear 95.5. And in the other transistor radio you can hear 91.1, all at the same time.
Right.
But in one transistor radio, you have to tune in order to
Uh,
listen one simultaneously.
okay.
It's very difficult for the others who don't have any background in mysticism and in studying unconventional science
Mm.
and subjective mind, because all the schools, the systems, even politics, religion, uh, medicine, psychology, they are all focused on the objective side. They set aside the subjective side. They are all focused on the left brain,
Mm-hmm.
but there are a lot of things happening in the right brain, which they don't want you to explore because you'll be enlightened.
Mm-hmm.
You will know that you will fool. You will find out that we are fooled if
Right.
you explore the right brain. So in mysticism, uh, you are learning to integrate the dark and light, the intuition and logic, the
Mm-hmm.
objective and the subjective, the seen and the unseen, and all the opposites. And as a mystic, you're always observing the nature, the cause, and the effect of every events, and how a person operates in those events personally and in mass.
Yeah. Yeah.
And
That's
everything has an explanation.
yeah.
There is
Th-
no mystery. There is no supernatural. It's like supernatural.
Yeah, that's the sad thing about I guess growing up here in on Earth
Mm,
na parang it wasn't taught to us. I guess we were
mm.
programmed to be scared because knowledge is
Yes.
power.
Mm,
I mean,
mm.
if you know more, you're not
You have
scared.
power.
And you
Mm,
don't have fear of death anymore because you know na
mm,
after this life,
mm.
you still live on.
There's another. You
Yes.
can choose. Mm,
So I guess it's a control thing
yes.
that's
Mm,
being
absolutely.
done to us. That's why I guess more and more people are speaking up through
Mm,
out of body experiences, near death
yes.
experiences.
Mm.
Alam mo 'yun?
And you know what? The subjective mind is really waiting for us to explore our dreaming selves, waiting for us to be awakened
Right.
and to create. And if this dreaming self will be awakened, you can create marvels,
Mhm.
you can create miracles, you can work on your dreams to heal yourself, you can work in your dreams to help anyone.
Let me ask you something. I'm not sure kung may
Yes.
nagtanong na sa'yo
Mm.
nito, but
Oo.
if the dreaming self essentially is our soul, am I right on that part? If I
No, no. The
okay,
soul, the word soul is religiously inspired.
okay,
It's not really a soul.
okay.
It's consciousness. And the word
Consciousness.
spirit and the other word of spirit is essence. So that means when you live on earth, when you die, you live your essence, you live your spirit.
Okay.
So the spirit will not evolve, only the consciousness. The spirit
I see.
always linger. It's within and without your loved ones. So
Okay.
always your spirit and essence linger. But there are a lot of misconception
Mm,
with the word spirit.
okay.
So it's like
S-
it's consciousness. Your dreaming self is your consciousness, which is always aware and awake.
Okay.
Mm.
If your dreaming self is your consciousness and you activate your dreaming self when you are asleep, would you say that your waking life is the dream? And when you are
Yes,
dreaming, that is the true nature of
yes,
reality.
yes. The consciousness dream to be awake in the physical, and the consciousness is dreaming while awake in the dreaming state,
Mhm.
and vice versa. Yeah. The
Because,
consciousness is
mm,
dreaming to experience physical things while you are awake, and the
mm,
consciousness is dreaming while you are asleep to experience everything beyond human understanding, beyond
right.
physical. Mm,
Because I know that there is a vast number of people who think that this is real life. When we're dead,
yes.
nothingness.
You know, whether they believe it or not, it cannot affect one iota of the reality that consciousness evolves even beyond physical body.
Mhm.
Science teaches us that consciousness relies on the brain. No, it's a wrong concept. Consciousness is always conscious, even without the brain.
Right,
The
right.
brain is just a transmitter, the organ that capable to convey
Mm,
information with the consciousness in different levels, in alpha, beta, delta, gamma,
mhm.
and any levels. So when the brain dies, consciousness still exists.
Right, right,
Hmm. So it's not the other way around.
right, 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 right.
And it was proven maybe thousands times
Mm,
already, and it was documented how many times already.
yes.
Not just 1,000 years ago, not just 5,000 years ago, more than maybe 100 or 50,000 years ago. Mm.
Mm,
And it was uh, documented and practiced by the Atlanteans, the Lemurians,
mm.
and even the uh,
Egyptians?
Egyptians. And there's another uh,
Lemurian, Atlantean, Egyptian.
Lemurian, Atlantean,
I forget.
Sumerians,
Ah.
Sumerians, and Mayans, and Mayans.
Oh, okay.
Ang life natin sa Earth, ano lang eh, it's a cycle. You
Mm,
reach the higher level of development, then back to zero
mm.
again. Then it's a repeating cycle.
Correct. Because I
Uh,
know, di ba, like, I guess thousands of years ago, there was already advanced civilizations na
yes, yes.
nasira ng Great Flood because of the reset.
Mm.
'Di ba
Not
there's
just
a
not just not just great flood, planetary alignment and
mm,
earthquakes and
correct.
volcanoes. Uh,
Mm,
Maybe because in the early years of Earth, Earth is not so livable.
mhm,
Some parts of Earth are hostile, and the climate is extreme. So
mhm,
that's why the civilization can easily wipe out in just one catastrophic event during that time,
right.
thousands or even millions of years ago. So we're not from this planet. We are all uh, came from another planets. The early years, Earth is not livable. So our galactic forefathers dreamed
Mm,
to explore and colonize the Earth long before they manifest themselves in physical. They sent billions of bacteria and then later weird animals, then after humans. Because later Earth was a very fertile ground or garden that
Right.
anything you plant will grow, even good, even bad, or whatever. Because Earth is one of the fertile grounds, so
Mm.
you can harvest anything you want to plant on Earth. So that's why we exist. But in the other galaxy and in the other solar systems, there are a lot of planets that are
Mm.
habitable. Same with us, but they don't look like with us because the atmospheric temperature, atmospheric pressure
Mm.
uh, requires. For example, in our surroundings, the atmospheric pressure is 32. So
Yes.
the other planet is maybe times 3 or times 10 or times 100. So
Wow.
if we travel as Earthlings to that planet, our body will dissipate
Right, right,
back
right.
to, it will be back to molecular form.
Right, right.
And the consciousness is just a flicker of light. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a dot. The universe is vast, infinite. Can you imagine that only Earth has inhabitants? No,
No.
it's
I
it's a big no.
no. I never
It's a
agreed
big
to
no.
that.
Uh,
I mean, billions of
it's a
planets
big
out
no.
there. I mean,
Not
infinite, I
just
guess.
billions,
Infinite.
it's trillions.
Uh-huh.
It's trillions or even more than. It cannot be counted. So
Right.
only Earth has inhabitants. You can believe it.
Okay.
Absolutely no.
I have a question, Marvin. In your
Uh,
travels, have you ever zoomed out of Earth and saw Earth as it
yes.
is?
How many
Okay.
times? How
So,
many times?
is it
Mm.
true that Earth looks like a dome, like what you see in a
Uh,
snow globe?
you
Yung
know what?
parang
In the
dome siya.
astral plane,
Mm,
uh, if you can see Earth with your physical eye, it's like blue with
mhm,
whitish color. But in the other plane, when you go out of your body, the color of Earth is not blue.
mm.
Uh, if you're not familiar with the astral colors, the blue in the physical is color orange in the astral.
Oh.
It's like a ball of fire. It's orange and some parts of it black because when Earth is surrounded by clouds, which is color white, the astral color white is black. So it's like orange with black hue.
Okay.
Mm. And
Ah,
when you go out
okay.
of the physical body and see
Mm.
the uh, planet Earth. It's
Cause,
not blue. You cannot even distinguish its Earth.
cause,
Uh,
cause they say that there is a firmament. Have you heard of that above
mm.
Earth? That there are waters above
Yes,
Earth.
yes. Actually, the water is came from the space, not from the
Okay.
ground. Mm.
Oh, that's why there are some videos of some, I guess, rocket ships or
Mm.
spaceships na
Mm.
when they pag lumagpas sila sa atmosphere, it's like they're
Mm.
they're they're
Oh,
bumping into a wall of water that
yeah.
that uh
They called it magnetic field. It's water in the gaseous form is magnetical.
mhm,
So it's like a very thick layer of magnetic water. You cannot easily go through to that. But with supersonic speed,
mhm,
there's a friction, and it can create damage to the spacecraft.
mhm,
Pero ang thickness ng aircraft na design na doon sa magnetic field na yon na caused by water outside the magnetic field of Earth,
mhm.
It's like an invisible wall. It's like an invisible wall
Mhm.
that made of water because water is magnetical.
I see.
So it's like a protective shell. It's a
Okay, okay.
protective shell. Oh. Kaya hindi siya basta-basta ma-penetrate ng direct heat of sun. Kung dadaan ang heat ng sun doon sa uh, magnetic field na yon na made of space water, it
Mhm.
can transform into rainbow. It can filter the harmful radiation from the sun.
Oh,
That's why we still live here on Earth because of that. Mm.
yeah.
So kaya pag sinabi nila na gugunaw na daw ang mundo, no, it's not.
Right.
Scientists said maybe billions of years from now, the Earth will, no, it's a big no.
Mm,
It will expand. It will expand, but not explode. Hindi
right.
siya sasabog. It will expand lang. So because of the inner heat within the core of the Earth. So mag-expand siya, yan, mag-expand until such time na the body of water is hindi na makaseparate ng mga continents.
Mm,
So, pero there are portion of the Earth will be covered by water, and there are portion of the Earth uh, from ice to desert. And
yeah.
so it will be converted every 50 to 100 years. That's the axis is shifting. It's like between 1 centimeter up to 3 centimeter.
Mhm.
So it's a big difference compared to normal. So we commonly call or climate change. Yeah. So
Mm,
that's climate change. So that's so the problem of a lot of people, especially on the Southeast Asia, how to control, how to be prepared with a sudden shift of this climate.
right.
So maybe
Yeah.
because they don't know what to do. The water is rising, and some parts of the earth submerged,
Mhm.
just like what happened in Japan long, long ago,
Mhm.
and in the other lost civilization like Lemuria. So
Yeah.
some parts of the Philippines considered parts of Lemuria, especially in the Pacific region
Yes.
or Pacific Ocean,
Mm.
going to Hawaii and Maui. Uh, are you familiar with the island Maui?
Yes,
So
yes, yes. I know.
uh, from that island, papunta sa Philippines, covered siya ng Lemurian civilization.
Oh, okay.
Uh, Thousands or how many hundreds or thousand years ago.
Mm.
So majority of that continent or civilization was submerged under the ocean. Mm.
So how do
So, pero
humans
walang
prep?
mga
Mm.
historical records, mga ano na lang, sinabi na lang ng mga great thinkers before. So
Mm.
siguro they saw it in their dreams and in their subconscious explorations. Mm.
Mm.
So that's why sinabi ni Plato, sinabi ni maraming nagsasabi. Yeah.
Mm.
Charles Darwin, Plato, and even Newton. Even Einstein and Carl Jung. Carl Jung. Pero wala eh. Hindi tinapos na ng oras si Carl Jung. Marami pa siya sana sabihin, marami pa siya sana isulat um, ng mga exploration niya while he is dreaming.
Mm.
Mm.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So one of the uh, proponents of dream was Carl Jung.
Okay.
Mm. Yeah. So medyo may similarities ang aming mga uh, accounts.
I
Mm.
see. I see.
That's why
Mm.
I wrote a book, Dream Dialogue with Carl Gustav Jung. In-edit
Oh,
ko pa, i-publish ko siya maybe after 1 month.
okay. Okay. Okay.
Mm.
So how do you think, Marvin, that in events like that, yung mga catastrophes, do you think humans can prepare for that ever?
Not just
Or
prepared, but altered. But
mm,
we can alter.
okay, as a
We can,
collective or
yes, as
individually?
collective, individual and collective.
Okay,
Mm.
okay.
Collective,
Mm,
be a conscious
okay.
creator. No fear, no doubts. Just align. Just relax the mind.
Mm,
Just focus. Mm.
okay.
That's the only way. Back to your divinity.
Right, right, right.
Mm.
Correct. Well, that's true. It has to start within, no? Like
Yes,
the man
within,
in the
not from
mirror.
without. Mm.
Yes.
Yeah. Man in the mirror. Yeah. The reflection, the projection. Yeah.
Correct, correct, correct.
There are a lot of things to be discussed. So maybe in our next session,
Yes,
so marami
definitely.
tayong i-discuss. So you can set some topics lang.
Mm,
So mas mag-focus tayo ngayon sa dream kasi
mhm.
marami talagang napapassionate sa dream. So alam mo, pag, if you are aware of your dreams, you are creating your future consciously.
Mm,
And you can choose where to go because dreams is your probable reality. So you can work with that probable reality and then you can alter. If that probable reality is not constructive, then you can alter it.
right.
Mm. You have the power to alter it. Mm. So, for example, tonight, you can tell yourself, uh, all my pleasant dream will be recalled. And talk to your dreaming self to go to any place in the physical to explore. And uh, in the dream state, there's no time, there's no space. So you
Mhm.
can tell your dreaming self to see what will happen 5 days from now. Then your dreaming self will show you all the events, all the probable events that you can choose to experience.
Wow.
Mm.
Okay.
Try it, then
I
you'll
will
be amazed. Oh.
okay, I will practice that tonight. I'll do it.
Mm. You can predict, you can see what will happen on Monday. Then you can choose to operate those probable events on Monday. For example, Monday, you want to eat in your breakfast uh, scrambled egg with corned beef,
Mm,
and in your lunch, tinolang manok with pork adobo. Yeah. So you can choose. For example, you saw it in your dream. Instead of adobo, you can choose to make it sarsiado. So it's your choice.
okay, okay. Oh,
So because your future is happening, you have to choose what to experience in your future. You have a lot of
okay.
choices. Don't think or don't say to yourself, uh, I have no choice eh. So wala na akong magawa. Ito na
Mm,
lang. No, there is always a lot of choices.
okay. So I just have to talk
You
to my
cannot
dreaming
say,
self.
yes, talk to your dreaming self. Your dreaming self is awake and
Right.
always receptive of your thoughts. Yeah.
Mm.
Until next time, may appointment ako ngayon na medyo
Okay, okay,
importante.
okay, okay. Sige, thank you so
So,
much, Marvin. I'm really
sige,
looking
marami
forward to
tayong
talk to you again.
pag-uusapan pa. Mm,
Marami.
marami
And
pa.
ayun, looking forward din na matapos ko na lahat ng mga libro mo so I could read more and
Oh,
more of your
mayroon pa.
works.
Actually, I have this, pero naubusan na ako, Expanding Inner Dialogue. Expanding
Oh,
Inner Dialogue, Rediscovering the Forgotten Linkage Between the Micro and the Macrocosm. Yan.
wow.
So medyo uh, mabigat din to, pero maganda siya basahin. So it's
Okay.
more of inner dialogue. No need
Mm,
to speak out.
okay.
Just talk from within. Yeah.
Wow.
So, nasa tabi ko siya kasi pag wala akong ginagawa, bored ako sa pag-iedit, babasa naman ako.
Okay.
So, walang nasasayang. Oo.
Okay.
Ang actually, yung ipapublish ko ngayon, ano siya, practical, yung practical feng shui for prosperity and abundance in
Mm.
preparation sa New Year next year.
Oh, okay.
Oh. And kanila ko lang siya natapos, edit. I-table of contents na lang gawin ko.
Mm.
Tapos ano na, publishing na.
Wow. Nice. Looking forward to it.
Yan. Sige basta
Okay.
maganda ito. Very ano siya, very practical. And pwede mo ma-apply sa lahat. Hindi lang sa bahay, pati sa self mo, pati sa kaibigan, pati
Mm.
sa trabaho mo, sa negosyo mo, sa lahat.
Okay.
Hindi mo na
Sige.
kailangan mag-consult sa akin.
Pero mag-usap pa rin tayo.
Oo, mag-usap pa
Tuloy
din
natin
tayo.
to.
Sige. Oo, sige
Okay. Sige. Thank you, Marvin. Thank
Until
you.
next time.
Until next time.
Welcome.
Looking
Welcome.
forward to episode
Oo.
2. Bye-bye.
Sige, bye-bye.
All right. Bye.